Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today I'm making 10-minute chocolate chips cookies. Soft inside, slightly crisp outside, and filled with delicious chocolate chips. A quick and easy cookie recipe you can make anytime at home. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl add half cup butter, 2/3 cup powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix well until the mixture becomes smooth and creamy. Butter gives cookies their rich flavor. Use room temperature butter for smooth mixing. Now sieve 1 cup flour, 1/4 cup cocoa powder, and 1 teaspoon baking powder. Add the dry ingredients to the mixture and combine well. If needed, add 2 tablespoons milk to bring the dough together. Mix until a soft cookie dough forms. Do not overmix the dough. Take small portion of the dough and shape them into cookies. Place chocolate chips on top. Adding chocolate chips creates a gooey texture inside. Place the cookies in a 7-inch oil grease mold with baking paper. Homemade cookies taste fresher than store-bought ones. Preheat the pan for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Leave space between cookies while baking. Cook the cookies for 12 to 15 minutes on medium-low heat. Cool slightly and serve. Homemade cookies allow control over sugar and ingredients. Cocoa powder contains natural antioxidants. Milk adds calcium and nutrition. Enjoy cookies in moderation as a sweet treat. Your quick and delicious chocolate chips cookies are ready, perfect for tea time, dessert, or snack cravings. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more easy baking recipes.